Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you the notes app for iPad how to recover a deleted note. Now let's say for example, you created a document or a note. As you can see here, these are your backed up iCloud documents. So let's say for example, this particular one which you recently did, let's say you deleted it. So I'm going to delete. There you go. It's now deleted. And let's say, for example, you want to recover that deleted document. Now, it is actually easy to delete. All right. So everything is backed up across your iCloud. But if you need to recover a deleted document, all you got to do is go to the recently deleted folder, which is right here. Just in case it's not showing, sometimes you may have modified the layout. So let's say your layout was like this and you're only seeing the sidebar here, but you're not seeing it. Go ahead and look for this icon right here that shows a hidden menu, and go ahead and tap that menu. Now once you tap that menu, you'll have your iCloud access to your iCloud drive. So go to recently deleted, and of course you can see several notes that I've written here, and of course they are stored here for 30 days. And of course you can go ahead, for example here, and this is the one I just deleted. It shows the time and it shows that it has one attachment. Others are unwritten. There's some other stuff that I had that were deleted from before, but this is the one. You can actually preview them, then go ahead and press and hold. You could use the move, but of course you can select, make sure it's highlighted, and from here you can go ahead and restore the deleted file. All right, so to get it back, I'm gonna go ahead and long press. I'm gonna hit move, and of course it gives you a bunch of options. You can place it in notes, you can place it in quick notes, new folder, you name it. So the option is yours as to where you wanna actually move it. For example, if you wanted to move it to quick notes, it will be in this folder here. So you can actually move it back to like your quick notes section or wherever. We could also try to drag and drop it back to the main folder. Not sure if that will work, but it's worth a try. Sorry. So you can also all right, so you can also long press. You can then drag and drop as I was showing you. Sorry about that. You can drag and drop. All right, so as I was showing you, you can slide to the this side, which is the left, and it will give you the same options to move more conveniently. All right, so they don't really support drag and drop, so sorry about that. So you can actually do the move option, which is the best option, move, and then move it to your notes section. And of course you can access there in the quick notes, and you can use that as a method of restoring. All right, so you get the general idea. So move it back into one of the available folders from the deleted folder and you'll be good. All right, so that's how to restore, recover, or find one of those notes that you have deleted. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.